Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons. You can scroll through this list of icons by swiping up and down. And at the bottom you should see the power saving mode icon. This is the one that looks like the battery icon. To enable the mode, tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. We have the access to time, battery level, and date, and these steps. And the rest of features is basically disabled. And if you want to exit the power saving mode, you need to wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen, and keep holding until you see the normal watch face. And once you see the normal watch face, it means that the power saving mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.